Bon ma ki paidbah ki tip shaphang khathan Sohra namar ka jingdon ya ki jaka jongo kai prathei ki baitna bat kham tam e na ka jingyo ya ka nam kum ka jaka bajur slap tam ha ka prathei Henry menta ka ni ka than kalawan ra sakawai pat ka nam kata da ka jingla ban pin gala ya ka thanat ka bala shispa sa snem minchwa sha ka jaka bam ka bakhringlut ya baro ki nong jongo kai kani ka cafe tang makila ban penmyang ya kabam ka basingyam Henry kidang pene pen saru wa ya kitiar bat kijingbu jingsat ki papanakam nado kate ka bor na ka benda kani ka jingkala baro ka borom galet sha ka megalaya police ka bala krishan ya ka jing ai jimut batarwa da USP ka East Khasils upa Vivex im nado ka por bo upat kum UDSP ka district Uni uhe pulit ulong balaslam ula thrang bantingkai bat penne pensa ya katei ke police station ke bala rimtam ha ke jela kumta hadian bala yai ka kam ka kinhun kinong trei lajong kilami ban pinwandur ma ya kani ke jingtei barim ban pendai atat da ka kentin Sohra khat pras pa prapusan na kalyang inafi nong rum kum inong pinyat ilayathu bakila penthamai lut ya ke jingtei baro kinthup ya kitiar kitar baladon nadu kapor jong kidoli ha kate police station ilayat huru bakila penkala ya ki patok ka baju set ya ki koi dikin thei ba chinrang banlong no kum ka jaka bam bat kinong wan bam ru kimen bham inafi ila pentip ru ba kate ka jaka bam la ru ban ngam hadu shispa ngut kinong bam ya kani ka jaka bam la pli paidbah ha ka ar atre ujmang mentau snem Nagalyang kinong mamru kila penpau ya kacing sngo kemen banyo I baka police station ka bala rimtam ha ka jela ka kelalong ka jaka bam bapau nam tam ha ka jela.
Hello, I am Nafisa Bednonggroup and I am the proprietor of Sohra 1885, the heritage cafe and restaurant.
This is the original fireplace, and this is the safe that we've taken from the police store. We've painted it. And it actually took 12 people to carry the safe. Similar to this, we have two other lockups. One is the male lockup and one is the female lockup. These are our customers coming all the way from Shillong. So if you'd like to experience dining in a lockup, please visit our cafe.
Can you tell us a little bit why Sohra 1885?
Alright, so we've named our cafe as Sohra 1885, the heritage cafe and restaurant. So basically it's because this police station is the oldest police station in Meghalaya, which was established in the year 1885. So hence the name Sohra 1885.
Welcome to Sohra 1885. So basically this place we have maintained as it is, and as you can see, these are pieces of history hung on the wall. The floor has maintained the same way, and as you can see, these walls have been painted the same color as it was at the beginning. And just in front of us, we can see this is the lockup, which is the main transit lockup. And on the side of this lockup, on both the sides, there's the male lockup and the female lockup.
My name is Batskham Thaba, and I'm here in Sohra 1885 Cafe. It is the first police station or the lockup where the criminal here itself being locked, and we are here with my family dining in a very old place, and come and experience here. It's such a good place to dine and have a good experience.